Hi, fifth graders. Last assignment for the week. You made it. You can do it. And this one, I think, is maybe the most fun of all. Maybe other than the slideshow. But this, I really like using Google Drawings. So this should be a good one. When you open up your assignment, which you're in, you should see the assignment part of it. And then remember, you're going to need to click on My Document to open up the document for yourself. And if you want it to go into a new window, click there. The tool should be the same. It just makes it a little bigger if it's in a new tab. Either way, it'll look something like this. I already went ahead and made the background white. If you want to change it though, now you're going to click with 2 fingers. You're going to go down to where it says background, and then you can put in any color you would like. You can even do some fun things with what's called a gradient, where it's fading from one color to another. Now, to put in the text, so to put things like your name, you're going to click that text box, click where you want it, type your name. This is where you can get real fancy with fonts. Because who wants a boring font on a cool poster? So, and I'm going to make it nice and big, since that's one of the most important things on the poster is who I am. Now, here's where you're going to go to insert some pictures. If you have them on your computer, say one you took using your webcam of yourself, feel free to include that. Or you can just search the web for some fun pictures. So I'll probably do one of Captain America. I should probably spell it right though, or else I might not get the right thing. So remember, if I have it, I just click and drag. All right. So then I'm going to want to tell the reader something about why I included that picture. So I might say favorite superhero is Captain America. Again, I can change the font if I want. It's always fun to do. You can even change the color of the font. So if I highlight it again and I go to this A, it says text color, then maybe I want to make that red since it's Captain America. Now maybe you want to include your dream job someday. Maybe you want to be an engineer. It's your dream job. Oh, there's a great picture. I wonder what she's doing with her hard hat. Engineers can look so different. So again, I want to put a text box. Dream job is to be an engineer. I would love to hear what your dream job is someday. Maybe you're going to tell me where you want to go to college. You can put pictures of things you did this summer, a trip you've been on. Let's do a water slide. Now, I didn't get a chance to go on a water slide this year, but let's pretend that I did. I did last summer. So maybe this summer I went. I'm going to include that text box. Remember that T. I went to a water park. Maybe you got to go swimming at a pool. You could include a picture of that, maybe at Crystal Cove. That's always fun. Been there. I also went there last summer, not this summer. So just include some fun things. You could include your favorite book, your favorite song, a pet you want to own, sort of a dream car you want to own someday, anything about yourself, anything that's important to you that you like, kind of like the slideshow. But I'd love to see some things about books you like, your favorite subjects, anything. I just can't wait to get to know more about you. Have fun! And don't forget, when you're done, what are you going to do? Go submit the assignment so that I can see. Because if I can't see it, I won't know that you did it. So make sure you go submit the assignment. Now you can go have fun.